Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through fixing the Twitch stream black screen issue that stops viewers from seeing your content. First, check your streaming software and make sure the correct scene and source are selected. If your game or display source is missing, remove it and add it again. Next, run your streaming app as administrator to avoid permission problems. Now, check your graphics settings and switch between game capture, display capture, or window capture, depending on what you stream. If you are using a browser source, refresh it and confirm the URL is correct. Also, update your graphics drivers, because outdated drivers often cause black screens. Then, verify your Twitch stream key and reconnect it in settings. Finally, restart your streaming software and do a quick test stream. These steps usually fix black screen problems and get your Twitch stream visible again for your audience everywhere. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.